And staying in St. Elizabeth, because the Sydney Pagon STEM Academy in the parish is this evening appealing for help after 90% of its agricultural plant was wiped out by Melissa. Kerry-Ann Simpson has details.
From poultry to dairy, piggery, beekeeping, open field crops as well as greenhouse, Sydney Pagon STEM Academy, formerly the Elim Agricultural School, was hard hit by the Category 5 hurricane. Milbert Miller is the school's principal.
Our poultry houses, we have 3 broiler houses, and all 3 have been, the roof went. We lost 1,400 baby chicks that we had there during the time. They were just 3 weeks old, and we lost those. When we go to the layer section, because we supply eggs, not only, we first feed ourselves, and then the excess we sell to the open market. So we supply 5 supermarkets presently with eggs. Now that has been severely affected because one of the dairy hosts totally lost its roof. Over 600 layer birds were lost in that section.
But that's not all.
When it comes to the piggery, we had some 3-week-old piglets, and we lost some of those as well. We go now to the small ruminants where we have our sheep and goat, and that section, the entire roof went.
Mr. Miller lamented losing the roof of the dairy house, significantly disrupting the school's agricultural program and its ability to supply milk to the open market.
We have to do some rewiring for the dairy. We can't milk any animals at the present time because we don't have electricity to keep the milk cool and so forth. So we have to be really allowing the calves now to have all that milk presently so as not to allow the animals to develop mastitis.
Additionally, more than a dozen bee boxes, among other outdoor crops, were lost during the storm. Mr. Miller said the institution is a major contributor to the agriculture sector and will need a lifeline to get back on its feet.
We'll need to get the poultry houses back in operation so that we can again start to produce. So we need baby chicks, we need feed, we need the roof to be rehabilitated. And so we thank Jamaica Dairy Board for the support that they have been giving us to the dairy, assisting us with some feed to help with the animals there. The Ministry of Agriculture, we're looking forward for some support. Past students as well, we're appealing to them. Seeds, help with feed, help with anything that they can support the school with so that we can rebuild even stronger.
Kerry-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.